Hi, this is Wendy from HMO Success, and today I'd like to share with you the one thing that you need above everything else to keep your tenants happy. You might be wondering, what is this amazing, magical one thing? Because there are lots of different things that tenants need to keep them happy. Number one is they need a safe, secure, clean environment. Renting out an HMO is no different from any other type of accommodation in the sense that you need to meet minimum standards. And the nicer, the cleaner, the more well organised, the more well maintained your environment is, the more attractive it will be for tenants. When you do viewings, you don't have to worry about what you're going to find when you walk into the room or to the property, and it's all very nicely maintained. But you'll find that without this one thing, no matter how good your processes and systems are, no matter how good your AST, your contract is with your tenants, this is the one thing that makes all the difference. And what is it? House rules. Yes, it's absolutely true. House rules make a massive difference to tenants because they're very simple. They are simple to understand, simple to implement. So I would suggest that you want to have no more than 10 house rules. House rules just help to shape the behaviour and the attitude of tenants within the HMO. And one of the things that you can do is print it off and laminate it and put it up on different areas of the property. Now, you don't want to make it feel too institutional, obviously. Making an HMO into a home is a fine art. But we found that house rules really help tenants to understand what's required of them. So it might be things like cleaning up after yourself, washing up and putting everything away in the kitchen once you've used it, making sure that if you've got a shared bathroom, everything is wiped down after use. These are very simple messages, but they're very effective in helping tenants to understand what's required of them. Most tenants don't read the contract cover to cover. Most tenants don't pore through the fine detail of the AST. That is, until it's too late. But a simple set of house rules will often bring the house together, help them to see that you have thought ahead about what's needed to help the house run smoothly and well, and also it'll create a sense of community amongst your tenants. So don't forget this vital, simple, but so important step in making sure that your HMO runs as well as it possibly can. And that way, you'll make more money and have more time. I'll speak to you soon. Oh, and don't forget, please subscribe and like the video.